Guys, you can see, right? So I do this part first, right? See? Then I do here. Then I screw these up here and screw it in there, right there. See? This piece for this one. This one is for this one. Just as this one. See? If you see the plywood, look at the difference, right? So this one now goes right there. See the tank? The good news about this van, guys, this used to be a passenger van. So guess what? AC. Look right here. See? This is the AC system. See? So in the winter I got heat, in the summer I got AC. So that's why I like this van. You know, both worlds. That's good.
I got you a small little early birthday drink.
Oh, thank you.
Where would you like me to put it? Okay. You're welcome. Oh, this is a watermelon.
What's up, Steve?
So, I thought if you want to put looking for my car, cutting time like that. You leave it like this, and somebody walk by, plug it out, without you're cutting, you're gonna probably get angry, right? Or you could do this like this, right? Then this piece right here, go like this. If you don't have this one, if you have this one, you could use it. Seriously, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. So roll it up like that, You go plug out, right? Or you could just easily do like this. You make sure, cut it like this, push it on. Don't be afraid to turn. So you begin like this and try to turn and go turn. Just cut and just turn with your hand and you're gonna be okay. Now you move this over here. There you go. Now we can cut now.